Hello everyone. In the previous lesson, we learned how to design and use a 16 by 16 dot matrix display and mastered its basic display principles and control methods. This has laid a solid foundation for today's lesson. In this lesson, we will further learn how to show multiple Chinese characters or complex graphics on a dot matrix display. After this study, you will understand how to draw complex schematic diagrams, write control programs, and verify display effects using simulation tools. Next, our main focus will be on three parts: schematic diagram drawing, program writing, and simulation effect. First, let's start by learning how to draw schematic diagrams. The schematic diagram drawn using Proteus is as follows. Let's take a look at this schematic diagram. The parts inside the red boxes are essential, and you can notice that these pin labels correspond one-to-one with the dot matrix display. Next, let's examine the schematic diagram of the dot matrix display and the 74HC154 chip. After drawing is completed and the compiled program is downloaded, the orientation of the dot matrix display can be adjusted according to actual conditions. Now, let's move on to the second part, writing the program. 1. Program design. The program is mainly divided into four parts: delay function, font model definition, output function, and main function. The delay function controls the scanning speed of the dot matrix display to ensure that the displayed content is stable and does not flicker. Font model definition involves encoding and storing the dot matrix data of the Chinese characters or graphics to be displayed. The output function is responsible for transferring the font model data to the dot matrix display. The main function integrates the above modules and controls the entire display process. 2. Chinese character font extraction. There are many software options available for extracting Chinese character fonts. You can use the one you are familiar with. Here are the settings I use in this instance of font extraction software. Of course, these settings are just for reference. If the actual results are incorrect or if the characters flip, we will need to make fine adjustments. For example, enter "ni hao," hello, click to generate the font model, and we can directly copy the code into the program for modification. Let's modify the Chinese character font model, adjust the program, and run the simulation. Now, open the Chinese character font extraction software, enter "Kuai Lu Happy" below, click to generate the font model, and we can see the corresponding code appear in the blank space below. Select it and press Ctrl+C to copy. Switch to Kielu Vision 5. Find the definition section, make changes, press Ctrl+V to directly overwrite the original code, and make appropriate modifications to the punctuation. Then click Compile, and that completes the program part. Reopen the simulation software. Click Start, and we can see the characters "Kuai Lu Happy" displayed alternately. In this lesson, we have learned how to design circuit schematics in Proteus using the 74HC154 chip and programmed multiple Chinese characters or graphics to be shown on a 16 by 16 dot matrix display. Also, we have mastered the methods of writing delay functions, font model definitions, output functions, and main functions. By utilizing Chinese character font extraction software to obtain the code for Chinese characters and modifying the program, we have achieved alternating displays of characters such as "Kuai Lu Happy," enhancing our understanding of dot matrix display control and the application of timer counters. To better consolidate and deepen your understanding and mastery of the knowledge from this lesson, please complete the following exercises after class. See you in the next lesson.